Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. Guys, if you are planning to book your exam in the month of August, that is August 2021, then this video is for you guys. And also if you have already booked your exam for the August month, then this video will also give you a summarized view that what level of exam you can expect in the month of August 2021. Not just the IELTS academic and a journal training dates, but also the UKVI academic and GT and also life skills. So in this video, I'm going to give you all the dates for the IELTS exams and also the summarized what level, is it easy or moderate, or what type of exam you will have on those dates. So let's start our today's video. First, as you all I'm sure are aware and already know, that there will only be IDP conducting the IELTS examinations in India. As from 11th of July, the pen paper based British Council exams are closed, finished. There is no more British Council in India, only and only IDP, as they have bought British Council. They were talking about this from last 18 months. If you want to know why this happened, why there is only IDP, how this happened, how it's gonna affect you, then there is a separate video already available on my channel last week. You can go and watch in the detailed why all this happened and what's going on. So let's not put a focus on that. Let's start a video for the August month. Well guys, the location I have checked showing you on the screen is Amritsar location. It's same for Punjab actually. So for August we have academic pen paper based exam on 7th of August, 12th of August, 21st of August and 28th of August. And on your right hand side, it's the computer based exams in the Amritsar, which you have every day in the August month except 3rd, 15th and 30th August. Rest you have exams every single day. Now let's further move on to the journal training dates. As you can see, for the journal training, there are only two dates for the August month examination, that is 12th of August and 21st of August. The location I have checked it for the journal location in Punjab. So for academic you have 4 exams in the month of August, but for journal training you only have two dates, 12th and 21st. And on the right hand side, it's the computer based GT exams, which you have every single day except 3rd, 15th and 30th of August. Rest you have computer based exam every single day in the month of August, so you can book according to that. Now further, if we talk about the IELTS for UKVI academic exam for the Chandigarh location, then there are two dates available in the August month, that is 12th of August and 28th of August. Guys, it's only and only for the Chandigarh location I have checked. So if you have Mumbai, Hyderabad, anything, you can go to the official websites of IDP IELTS India and you can put your location and check what are the dates. For the Chandigarh location, the dates are 12th and 28th for IELTS for UKVI AC academic. And if further we talk about the IELTS for UKVI GT for the same location, that is Chandigarh location, then there is only one date, that is 12th of August. So for IELTS for UKVI you have two dates, and for IELTS for UKVI GT you have only just one date. And students, for the life skills exam in Chandigarh location, life skills either it's A1 or it's B1, you have only one date, and that is 19th of August 2021 Thursday. So if you have a life skill exam or you want to book a life skill exam, either it's A1 level or the B1, then there is only one date, that is 19th August 2021. Now let's talk about the what kind of a level exam you can have. As in August, the first exam is on 7th of August 2021. On this day, it's a Saturday, and we have only IELTS academic exam. And this exam on Saturday will be easy to moderate, but mostly easy. So your listening will be easy, but your reading will be easy to moderate. Okay, the second exam in the month of August is on 12th August 2021. It's a Thursday, and on this day we have both academic and a journal training exam, which will be easy to moderate. So your level of listening and reading will be easy to moderate. In reading, you might have a one moderate passage and rest passage will be easy. So overall it will be an easy to moderate kind of exam on 12th of August 2021. Further, if we talk about the third exam in the August month, then it is on Saturday and the date is 21st August 2021. You will have both academic and an IELTS journal training exam. Guys, these dates are the pen and paper based IELTS exams by IDP. The level of this exam will be moderate. So you can have easy to moderate listening, but a moderate reading. So this is your level for the 21st August 2021 exam, which is the third exam in the month of August. And the last exam, that is the fourth exam in August month, it's going to be held on Saturday, 28th August 2021. This is the last exam for the month of August, and on this day you have only and only IELTS academic exam, and it will be an easy to moderate exam. So you can give your exam on this day, as it will be more better than 21st of August 2021 if you want to do an academic exam in the month of August. And further, like I've already told you, there is only and only IDP. So for IELTS for UKVI in August, if you have UKVI academic for the Chandigarh location, you have two dates, that is 12th August and 28th August. But if you have UKVI for GT, then you only and only have one date for the August month, that is 12th August 2021. Also for the life skills, guys, either it's life skill A1 or B1. For the Chandigarh location, you only and only have one date for the month of August 2021 by IDP, and that is only 19 August 2021. So students, this is the level of August month examination along with the dates when you have your IELTS exams. Also, if you want to know the writing task 2 topics which you can expect to come in your August month, then guys, the video is already available on the channel for you guys to watch. So you can watch that video where I have given you the essay topics which are expected to come in the August month, in the September month. So please go and watch that video. And the cue card prediction for the August month will be available on the channel very soon at the starting of the August month, that is like maybe 1st or 2nd August, or maybe end of the July month. So best of luck if you are planning to book your exams. Just go through this video and plan accordingly and book your exams. If you have your exams in August month, good luck students. Take care, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar and hit the bell icon so that you do get a notification when we publish any videos on our channel. Thank you so much students. Take care and bye bye.